kids.
A for ant.
A for ant.
B for bird.
B for bird.
C for car.
C for car.
D for duck.
D for duck.
E for egg.
E for egg.
F for frog.
F for frog.
G for goat.
G for goat.
H for house.
H for house.
I for insect.
I for insect.
J for juice.
J for juice.
K for key.
K for key.
L for leaf.
L for leaf.
M for moon.
M for moon.
N for nose.
N for nose.
O for owl.
O for owl.
P for pen.
P for pen.
Q for quilt.
Q for quilt.
R for rose.
R for rose.
S for star.
S for star.
T for tree.
T for tree.
U for urn.
U for urn.
V for vase.
V for vase.
W for whale.
W for whale.
X for x-ray.
X for x-ray.
Y for yarn.
Y for yarn.
Z for zoo.
Z for zoo.
Thank you kids for learning with me. Bye bye. See you in the next video.